For this lesson, we will be finding the circumference of a circle. So there's circumference, you need to know, is actually the distance around the circle. And the units that we will always use will be inches, feet, yards. The two formulas that we will use, depending on the information given to us, C is equal to pi d, d standing for the diameter, which is the full length across the circle, or C is equal to 2 pi r. Because this is our radius, you can see, and the radius is half the distance across the circle. That's why you have to multiply the radius by 2. The directions say use 3.14 for pi because pi never ends, and we're going to round the answer to the nearest tenth. So let's go ahead and let's look at this first problem. Seeing that I am given a diameter, I am going to use C is equal to pi d. And again, C stands for circumference. And we can see we have our units, and our units are 8 yards. So C is equal to, I am going to substitute in 3.14 because that's what they told me to use. Whenever something is written beside each other, that means we're multiplying them. So we will be multiplying 3.14 times 8. And when we do that, we get 25 and 12 hundredths. So when I'm looking at my answer, I know that they want me to round to the nearest tenth, so I am going to look at my place 1 over, my hundredths place. So my circumference is equal to 25 and 1/10 as the rounded answer. And again, that's in yards. And there we have it. So let's look at the second problem. Here I see that's a radius. So I'm going to use my other formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. Again, I'm trying to find my circumference. I'm writing my 2 down. I'm substituting in 3 and 14 hundredths was the rounded value of pi. And now my radius is 2 and 4/10. Well, order of operations, I'm going to go ahead and I will do that first. And that is equal to 6.28. And then I will go ahead and I will multiply 6.28 times 2 and 4/10. And I end up with 15.072. So 15 and 72 thousandths. Again, I need to round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to be looking at that 7, and I don't even look at what that is. And so my circumference rounded to the nearest tenth is 15 and 1/10, and it is in centimeters. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.